These are the older style armrest. Believe it's up to 2004 around, and these are pretty squeaky, making noise. I'm trying to fix it a little bit. I also got this thing which it's looking very nicely orange. It's a S60R with the Atacama interior, I guess. So I'm going to swap this. And by the way, let me just show first perhaps how to undo this, guys. So we have two torques. I did use a screwdriver like this, but you can use the perhaps, yeah, perhaps it's better the screwdriver because it's kind of an angle here, and the socket may not fit properly. Once you undo these two guys here, this whole thing, actually it's the top that comes off, and also the top has to be slid off here. It has some hooks. It goes a little bit. You notice this this one and the corner one, they got into the leather cover here, and once you get this cover off, you still have the base, which has two screws. You will find them right there, so you can do the base, but basically you don't need to remove the base itself. You perhaps know already that when you lean with your body weight on this guy, the cover breaks, the plastic here cracks, so you may want to replace the whole part, just the top cover of it. The places where these guys make noise, like this, notice this one has kind of insulating material here. The places where they make noise, it's here, right where it gets inside. So just try to, now it's no longer in place, but try to press here and see if it's make noise here. I will just perhaps use a little bit of hand cream, spread in this area here. I don't like to use grease, it smells. That's one place. The other place, when you look underneath here, so this is going to be right there around. Notice it has some bumps. There's 4 of them, kind of rubberish ones, and the corners too. That's where the noise is happening. And finally, you also have this side trim here that makes noise when you push on it. Even if you leave this guy open and push here, that's the cover for the handbrake, but this one is more noisier. This one is a bit tricky. Perhaps I'll try to insert a little bit of piece of foam, something like that maybe, and squeeze it with a bar knife underneath. Here goes. So what I did actually is I took a piece of that insulator material and did put it right here at the top. It's absolutely quiet. And again, I did put inside here at the small hinges that hand cream. Nice. This one, some foam inside. This one more or less, but it's pretty quiet now. Very nice color. And this one, it's pretty clean, not too dirty. The whole interior, it's really nice on those S60, and I believe also the V70 Air got this optional leather. Very nice looking. It doesn't really fit with the rest of the car, but hey.